Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and enjoying your vacations. Dear students, today we are going to learn primary mathematics of grade 1, second edition. Today we will learn our new lesson number 3 of chapter number 10, and the topic is comparing and ordering numbers. Dear students, when we compare and order numbers, we use the terms less than, greater than and equal to. We use the terms less than, greater than and equal to for comparing and ordering numbers in mathematics. Students, when we compare two numbers, there are three possibilities. Number one, first number is greater than second. First number is greater than second, as we know that 4 is greater than 2. Second one is that the second number is greater than the first. The second number is greater than the first, as we know that 2 is less than 3 and 3 is greater than 2. The third possibility is that the two numbers are equal, as we know that 6 is equal to 6. In ordering numbers, we can order the numbers from greatest to smallest or from smallest to greatest. Okay class, you can see here that there are two classes, class A and class B, and you can also see that there are many students in class A and also in class B, and they are sitting in a class, and we have to know that which class has more students, class A or class B? Okay, let's start from class A and let's start counting to know that which class has more students. So let's start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. 36 students are present in class A. Okay, now we'll see the number of students in class B. Let's start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. 28 students are present in class B. And when we compare class A with class B, the comparison of number of students in class A and class B, we will see that which class has more pupils. Class A has more pupils or students because the number of students present in class A are 36 and the number of students present in class B are 28, as we know that 36 is greater than 28. What can we do to find out? There are two methods to find out the answer. The number one is the numbers will be shown on the number place chart, and the second one is the subtraction method. By following these two methods, we can find out which number is greater and which class has more number of students. Students, you can see here we have a number 36 and also a number 28, and we have to find that which class has more students, and by using the place value of tens and ones, as you can see here, 3 is present on tens place and 6 is placed on ones place, same as 2 is placed on tens place and 8 is placed on ones place, and we have to compare both the numbers with each other. First we will see that 3 is present or placed on tens place and 2 is placed on tens place also, and we will compare 3 with 2. We know that 3 is greater than 2. It means that 36 is greater than 28, and the class which has 36 students is the greater class or has a greater number of class. Hope you understand, students. Now we'll see from our book. And number one, which class has more pupils, class A or class B? Dear students, you can see here that we have many blocks and the number of blocks are 36, and we have to show the place value of both these numbers, like in tens and in ones. And you can see here 3 is placed on tens value and 6 is placed on ones value. It means that 36 is equal to 3 tens and 6 ones. Same as for class B, which has 28 students, and we have 28 cubes or blocks here. And we can see on the place value of tens and ones that 2 is on tens place and 8 is on ones place. It means that 28 is equal to 2 tens and 8 ones. Okay, 3 tens is greater than 2 tens. As we know that 3 is greater than 2, and 3 tens is greater than 2 tens. 36 is greater than 28. 36 is greater than 28. 2 tens is smaller than 3 tens. 2 tens is smaller than 3 tens, and 28 is smaller than 36. Class A has more pupils, as we know that, and class B has fewer pupils. Okay, let's move to the next page. Number 2, compare the numbers in sets A, B and C. We have 3 sets, set A, B and C, and in set A we have 37 blocks, in set B we have 22 blocks, and in set C we have 29 blocks. First of all, we will make a place value chart of tens and ones, and then we will compare the sets with each other and know that which set is greater and which has more blocks. So first of all, we have 37, and we will make a place value chart of tens and ones. And as you can see here, 3 is placed on tens value and 7 is placed on ones value. 37 is equal to 3 tens and 7 ones. Okay, let's move to the next value, 22. As you can see here, 2 is placed on tens value and 2 is also placed on ones value. 22 is equal to 2 tens and 2 ones. Now we have next value 29, and we can see here 2 is placed on tens value and 9 is placed on ones value. 29 is equal to 2 tens and 9 ones. 3 tens is greater than 2 tens, 3 tens is greater than 2 tens, and 37 is greater than 22. 37 is greater than 29 also, and 37 is the greatest. 2 ones is smaller than 9 ones. As you can see here, 2 ones is smaller than 9 ones. 22 is smaller than 29, and 22 is the smallest. We can put the numbers in order, and we have to arrange these numbers from greatest to smallest. As you can see here, we have 3 numbers, 37, 29, 22. Here 37 is the greatest number and 22 is the smallest number. 29 is greater than 22 but smaller than 37. So here we have arranged these numbers from greatest to smallest. Here we have another 3 values, and we have to arrange these numbers from smallest to greatest. And here we have 22, which is the smallest number, and 37, which is the greatest number. And 29 is smaller than 37 but greater than 22. And these numbers are arranged here from smallest to greatest. Let's practice. Number 1, count and compare. First of all, we will count the blocks. As we know that 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus 31, 32. It means that we have 32 blocks here. 3 tens and 2 ones. 3 tens and 2 ones. Okay, we have some more blocks and we will count them. 10 plus 10, 20. Plus 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, we have 29 blocks and we will write them as 29 is equal to 2 tens and 9 ones. 2 tens and 9 ones. Then we will compare 32 with 29 as 3 is greater than 2 or 3 tens is greater than 2 tens, then 32 is greater than 29. Number 2. Compare 34, 39 and 30. Okay, first we would want to know that which number is greatest. Can you please tell me, students, which number is greatest? Yes, 39 is the greatest number. The greatest number is 39. B. Arrange the numbers in order. Start with the smallest. Here we have the numbers and we have to arrange these numbers from smallest to greatest. Here we have 30, which is the smallest number, and 39, which is the greatest number. And in between we have 34, which is smaller than 39 but greater than 30. So here we have three numbers 30, 34, 39, and we have arranged these numbers from smallest to greatest. Here you can see a picture and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elephants, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bananas, and what they are asking from us that are there more elephants than bananas or how many more? Okay, let's see here. Let's learn. Number 1, how many more elephants than bananas are there and how many fewer bananas than elephants are there? For finding the answer and to know the answer, we will use the subtraction method. By subtraction method, we will find the answer. As you know that the number of elephants are 8 and the number of bananas are 6. And when we minus 6 from 8, the answer will be 2. It means that there are 2 more elephants than bananas. 2 more elephants than bananas. And there are 2 fewer bananas than elephants. There are 2 fewer bananas than elephants. In the end, we have a question class. Why do we subtract to compare? In comparison, we use subtraction to know that how much bigger or how much smaller one set is compared to another. Number 2. Compare the number of crayons and pencils. Here you can see that there are 12 crayons and 14 pencils, and we have to compare the number of crayons and pencils with each other. As we know that we have 14 pencil colors and 12 crayons, and when we subtract 12 from 14, we will get 2, which means that there are 2 fewer crayons than pencils, which means that there are 2 fewer crayons than pencils, and there are 2 more pencils than crayons, and there are 2 more pencils than crayons. Practice. Compare the butterflies with the caterpillars. As you can see here, there are 9 butterflies and 6 caterpillars, and we have to compare both with each other. Okay, when we subtract 6 caterpillars from 9 butterflies, we will get 3. When we subtract 6 caterpillars from 9 butterflies, we will get 3. It means that there are 3 more butterflies than caterpillars. There are 3 more butterflies than caterpillars, and there are 3 fewer caterpillars than butterflies, and there are 3 fewer caterpillars than butterflies. Dear students, that's all, and hope you will understand today's lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.